Today I'm unboxing the A5L from NUU Mobile. It comes with the screen wipe, quick start guide, and the battery. Standard wall charger and cord. The A5L also comes pre-installed with the Android Oreo Go Edition operating system, and for security has an easy-to-use fingerprint reader on the back of the phone along with its camera. To install the battery, just pop off the back, insert the battery, insert one or two SIM card, put it back together, and you're good to go. The A5L also features a MediaTek 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 16 gigs of memory, and a long battery life. And there you have it, the A5L from NUU Mobile.